Welcome to Pathshala Institute of Learning. Let's we learn vegetables name. Potato, potato, tomato, tomato, broccoli, broccoli, peas, peas, cabbage, cabbage, corn, corn, capsicum, capsicum, onion, onion, carrot, carrot, brinjal, brinjal. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.